Hey guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited for today's video because last week or 2 weeks ago, I don't remember, Bésame Cosmetics launched their newest Iconic Women's collection. And this time their Iconic Woman is the one and only Marilyn Monroe, and it is gorgeous. I have my package. I have not opened it, but the pictures that I have seen on Instagram, it is stunning, like absolutely stunning. So a little background information on this collection. So all these shades and products are things that Marilyn Monroe wore in her everyday, and even some of the packaging is replicas of her lipstick and things like that. I am so excited to open this. You have no idea. The whole collection is a 15-piece collection. They did not sell these products individually. They sold them in 3 separate sets. The one that had everything, all 15 items, that was very expensive. I did not buy that, but I did buy the 14 item collection. So the difference between the 14 item and the 15 item, the 14 item does not come with the compact, and as beautiful as it was, I could live without the compact. And the third set they sold was the compact and one of the lipsticks. So like I said, I bought the 14 set collection, whatever you want to call it. So I have the box right here and I'm so excited to open it. So here we go. This is heavy. Holy shit. Okay. So I have to admit, before they announced it was going to be Marilyn Monroe, they kept hinting on their Instagram, and I genuinely thought it was going to be Elizabeth Taylor. If it was, I would have died. I love Elizabeth Taylor. I love Marilyn Monroe. I love all these people. So no matter who it was, I was going to buy almost the entire collection. But I was so convinced that it was Elizabeth Taylor, and I was shocked when it was Marilyn. So I hope their next Iconic Woman is Elizabeth Taylor, because that would be fantastic. So it's currently in this white box, and it's in this like special case, which looks stunning. So it probably will be stunning in person. Ow! I cannot get this out of this. Can we just talk about this right now? I didn't even open it up and I am speechless. This case, I'm so excited, you have no idea. Wow.
Did you ever, anywhere, anything like it?
I am speechless. So first, before I show you the inside, it comes with this little pamphlet, and it shows you how to use the products to create the Marilyn Monroe face. Okay, now I have to show you the inside because it is chef's kiss. Oh my god. Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. I wasn't even ready. Wow. Can we just talk about this? I'm speechless. I'm actually speechless. This like illustration of Marilyn I'm obsessed with, and I just love that her signature is on like everything. This is stunning. All right, so let's talk about the products and do some swatches because I'm so excited. All right, so this collection, excluding the compact, comes with 2 sets of false eyelashes, a eyeshadow palette, 2 lip glosses, 3 lipsticks, a mascara, this white highlight thing, a sharpener, 2 lip liner pencils, and 2 eyeliner pencils. That's a lot. And this gorgeous case that I can't stop looking at. All right, so what do I want to look at first? All right, let's start with like the boring thing. Let's talk about, oh, I love it. I'm just kidding, this isn't boring. I hate when sharpeners don't have a little case to like collect the sharpener pieces. So this is the sharpener. We're just gonna start with the sharpener, and it has Marilyn Monroe's signature on it, and it's enclosed so none of your pencil scraps, whatever they're, what's it called? So none of your pencil things get everywhere. So love this. All right, so next let's look at this mascara. This is one of the most gorgeous mascaras ever. So it is gold and it has Marilyn's signature on it. So I don't know if you can see the signature because it's very shiny, but this mascara is called Girl's Best Friend Mascara.
But diamonds are a girl's best friend.
So I'm not gonna put this on because I have mascara on and false eyelashes, but let's look at it. So this is the wand, and this is a really nice shape. It's not too heavy. If this is a really good mascara, which it probably is, I'm gonna be really upset because they're not selling this individually, so I have to use this sparingly, is what they're telling me. So this set comes with 2 sets of lashes that are inspired by the ones Marilyn wore, and let's see what it looks like. All right, so this is the box that it comes in, and let's open her up. Oh my god. The lashes are gorgeous, but I don't know why. I'm just so obsessed with like this packaging. So this is what it looks like. So it has 2 sets of false eyelashes, and like I said, I am obsessed with this Marilyn Monroe art. Oh my god. So these lashes, they have names. They're just called Marilyn lashes. That's right. So one is a little more natural, the top one, and the bottom one is a little more dramatic, but these are gorgeous. Oh my god, I am so excited to try these. The amount of times I say excited in this video is ridiculous, but I really am. A really cool thing about this collection is they have this like white cream highlighter, and it's supposed to be a replica of the type of highlight that Marilyn wore on her cheekbones and like all that stuff. So once again, the packaging is gorgeous. I love the simplicity with the black and just like her signature in gold. I love it. Oh, this is like a real like nice jar. Oh, this is so interesting. So this is the highlight. So let's see if it says anything about it. This cream highlight in pure white can be used on lips, cheeks, or eyes. Super blendable and versatile. This historically accurate item is perfect for recreating golden age looks of the silver screen. Interesting. I don't want to swatch it because it looks so like nice, but I'm really curious as how like pure white, or is it a little more like muted? So I have a little bit on my finger, and I'm just gonna put it on my hand. Oh, it's like nice and blendable. Like I just blended it out on my hand. I was afraid it was gonna look like clown makeup, but it really just looks like a nice like glistening highlight. It doesn't look like this harsh white like pigment on my hand. Interesting. I'm really excited to try this out. So next, this is the Marilyn Monroe Bombshell Shadow Quad, and once again, this packaging is absolutely gorgeous. And this, all right, where's my eyeshadows? Bombshell Shadow Quad. Bring out your inner bombshell with this eyeshadow quad. These pigmented matte shades are perfect for Marilyn's 1950s and 1960s eye looks. Soft and super blendable, it's a quad you'll return to again and again. Colors include peach, cream, taupe, and light brown. So let's open it. I love this packaging. Oh, it has a little quote in it. We are all the stars and deserve the right to twinkle. I love that. Oh my god. I'm going to turn it upside down so we don't get like a reflection, because that'll be obnoxious. So this is the eyeshadow quad. These shades are so pretty. Oh my god. All right, so I'm going to swatch them. I am the worst at swatching, so this is probably going to suck, but whatever. All right, so first one I'm going to swatch is cream, and I love Bésame Cosmetics eyeshadow. So we have cream right here. You probably can't see it. I don't even know why I'm bothering to show you. Then we have taupe, which is a nice light brown. Oh, this is nice. Then we have, can we see? I can't see. Then we have taupe right here. Then peach, which is right here. And the last shade is, I already forgot. Oh wait, I'm just kidding. So now I'm confused. Maybe this one's taupe. We're just gonna put it right here. This is the darkest shade right there. All right, next, let's do the liners. All right, so let's do eyeliner pencils. So like I said, there are 2 eyeliner pencils. This one is in the shade, Snow, and this is just a white eyeliner pencil, and that's right here. If you can see it, I have no idea. And the second eyeliner pencil is in the shade Espresso, and I'll put this right next to the white. Oh, that's really nice. So this is espresso. These are really nice. They are super smooth too. So sticking with the pencils, I'm going to show you the 2 lip liner pencils. All right, so there are 2 lip liner pencils, and this one is in the shade Melon. And I'm gonna put this right under the white. Oh, that's really pretty. All right, so this is Melon, and the next one is in the shade, where is it? I lost it. Berry. I love a good berry. Oh, that's pretty too. Oh, I love that. So this is in the shade Berry. Once again, just like the eyeliners, really nice and smooth. I feel like it's so hard to find a really nice, smooth wooden pencil liner. A lot of times they can be dry, but these are not dry at all. I have some other wooden pencils from Bésame Cosmetics, and they are fantastic. So I am not surprised that these are so nice as well. All right, so the really exciting parts, the lips. So there are 2 lip glosses with this collection. So this is in the shade Champagne Gloss, and once again has the Marilyn Monroe signature and the gold top part like the mascara. And this one is in the shade Rose Red. And once again, the signature. And these are so pretty. Oh my god. So I'm gonna swatch Champagne Gloss first. And I'm curious. Oh, this is a nice applicator. I love applicators like this. Okay, where do I wanna put it? All right, we'll put it right here, I guess. Oh, yes. Just by swatching it, you can tell if a gloss is sticky, and this does not feel sticky at all. Oh my god, this is so pretty. All right, so this is Champagne Gloss. I don't know how well you can see it, but in person, this is beautiful. Oh my god, I love that. All right, and then now I'm gonna swatch Rose Red. I'm really excited for this one too. I'm gonna swatch it under Champagne Gloss. Oh yeah, this color is so pretty. The lip liner and this gloss probably look so good together. So this is Rose Red lip gloss. These are stunning. I cannot wait to try these. Oh my god. All right, and last but not least, I am so excited for these lipsticks. 1, because of the colors, and 2, just wait till you see them. Just wait. So these are replicas of Marilyn Monroe's lipsticks, like even the packaging, and well, except it has her signature on it, so not that part. But there are 3 lipsticks, and they are gorgeous. All right, so this is the lipsticks, and so you're probably just like, oh, it's just a normal like gold packaged lipstick. No, ready? Can we talk about this? Like, are we kidding? How gorgeous are these? And these are replicas of Marilyn's lipsticks. I forget what lipstick brand they were. I didn't even like swatch them or anything, just the way they look. I am obsessed with them. All right, so like I said, there are 3, and I'm gonna start with Red Hot Red. And this is a replica of the color she wore in Some Like It Hot, one of my favorite movies.
I used to sing with male bands, but I can't afford it anymore. Have you ever been with a male band?
Who? Me?
That's what I'm running away from.
If you haven't seen it, you should. It's fantastic. So, wow, hold on. Took me a second. This red, oh my god, wow. This is like true red right here. So I'm gonna swatch this. I'm terrible at swatching. Okay. I love Bésame Cosmetic lipsticks. They're like my favorite thing in the whole world. All right, so this is Red Hot Red, and this is stunning. Absolutely stunning. This is like the perfect red. All right, so we're just gonna like, can we even see it? Like we can see the top. So I'm just gonna set that one up there because it's so pretty. Next, I'm gonna swatch Carnation Red. And Carnation Red, it says, is based off of one of Marilyn's favorite shades to wear. So let's see. Oh, this is so pretty too. So this is more of a pinkier red. This is so pretty. Oh my god. All right, definitely is a little more pinkier than Red Hot Red. and is also just as beautiful right here. And the last lipstick is Misty Coral. And this is one that Marilyn wore in the 60s. Oh, this is beautiful. I don't think I have any type of lipstick that looks like this. I'm so excited for this one. This is so pretty. So I have Red Hot Red, Carnation Red, and Misty Coral. All right, so that is everything from this collection. I am just blown away with how gorgeous everything is in this collection, and I just can't get over these lipsticks. Like, I'm gonna have these displayed on my makeup vanity. Like, I'm running out of room of lipsticks to display, but I will make room for these because they are gorgeous. I'm definitely gonna leave a link down below for the Marilyn collection. I don't know if it's still available right now as I'm filming this, but I'm still gonna leave a link just in case. Definitely, if you're a huge Marilyn fan, if you're a huge Bésame Cosmetics fan, if you're a huge just 1950s, 60s makeup fan, this collection is for you. It is stunning, definitely worth the money in my opinion, and I'm obsessed with it. I can't wait to recreate Marilyn's look and wearing colors that she wore. I think that's so cool, and that is one of the reasons why I love Bésame Cosmetics. The amount of time and effort they put into their products is unbelievable. So Bésame Cosmetics, if you're watching this, big fan right here. Big fan, just saying, just throwing it out there in case. So that is it for this video. I had so much fun filming and unboxing this. I'm super excited to try out all of these products, like I said. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.